एक सेकंड चालू है. Hi, can you see my screen? Bhagirath ji, Mr. Bhagirath.
The screen is visible, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Bhagirath, you there, sir?
Yes, I able to see, sir.
Yeah, good, sir. Okay, so let me start and let me make you understand what is our product, sir. So first of all, our company is, sir, Senda Group. Okay, and I am Himanshu Modi. I am the technical director of the company, and with me Akshay is there. He's leading our, means he's into sales, business development manager.
Okay.
Okay, BDM. And here, the company is 15-year-old. We have a different ventures in our company. We have a resorts in Goa. We have a Dudhsagar and a Baywatch resort in Goa. We have a Senda retreat where we do wellness retreat. It's related to health and health, wellness, yoga, and other activities we are doing there. We also have a magazine called Your Wellness. Okay. And this company we started in 2011 for the technology, and our mission is to put you back in control of your data, sir. Okay. So why we have shared here, mission is to put you back in control of your data. So you are aware right now, you are working, sir, right?
Okay.
And in your organizations, anybody can do anything with your data. Right? I mean, suppose they want to copy your tally data, they can copy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they can do anything with your data because control is not there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's actually a problem because nobody has a control over their data, and that's we provide here the control. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the Secura Guard we do to protect the tally data? So first we provide the thief proof. So means from your staff or hackers cannot copy your tally data. We also provide safety from the mistakes or disasters. For example, your device get hacked or lost, ransomware attack might happen, or the file gets corrupted. You don't have to worry. Automatically, you will get the data backup and your data is safe, sir. Okay. We also provide you secret and invisible mode. I mean, suppose you have some data which you want to hide or which you want to protect. Okay. We provide you the solution. You can work in our application in such a way that you need to enter your secret area password and you can control your data, sir. Okay. So that is also possible with our Secura, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We also provide you intruder proof. Means suppose somebody logged in and entered the wrong password before start the tally. Okay.
Yes.
Then we put you an alert that if suppose some you want the alert, automatically you will get the alert, sir. Okay. So
Okay.
you will get the alert. Somebody's entered the wrong password, and if you want to burn the data, suppose your computer is something is stolen or something is happened, you can burn the data. Okay. So that is also possible for our system. We also provide the protection through the spyware software, which is spying tools. Okay. So this is our product, sir. Okay. Now I will show you the actual product, how this product is working, sir. So let me start the product. Till that now, you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Just so it's loading. Just hold on. The computer has some running just. Okay, so you can see the password enter screen. Will I enter the password? Then Secura will start. Okay. And I will enter the blank screen manager. Okay. So what we provide here, sir, generally in our computer, tally data. Okay,
Okay.
I will show you my tally data. Okay, this my data is already open. Normally this data lies like this, right? In the tally. Even in the network, you can access the tally data folder, right? Right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so what we provide the settings module. So let me start the settings module. So you can see the settings module right inside, where we provide you option to for open the folder lock. Sorry. We provide you the activate folder lock module. And when I open the folder lock module, which is entered by the admin password, now you can see the folder lock module, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I go to the folder lock module, whatever the folder I want to secure, I need to click on the plus button. I'm showing you slowly because people can understand, otherwise it will be a very fast. So that's the reason. So when I click on the plus button, and whatever the tally data is there in my computer, I need to select that folder. Okay, so I'm selecting my tally data folder where my data lies, sir. Okay, so you can see this. I've selected just hold on, data folder now. I click on the select folder. Okay. Now when I need to click on the three dots and I need to enable a hidden mode. Like you can see now I done the hidden mode. Now suddenly my data is now disappear. And when I click on the data folder, when I try to find the data folder, you can see I'm getting error, folder doesn't exist.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on, it's opening. You can see, check the spelling and try again. Folder is there, but
Yes, sir.
still you can't see the folder. Even in the tally, you can't see the data. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we have done, we have created a program feature. So which program you want to allow, you need to add that program to allow it, sir. So right now, when I start the tally, I can't see the data. But what I'm doing now, I'm adding the tally exe.
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever the program you allow to open, that program will be able to access the lock folder, means hidden folder, sir. Okay. And we provide a auto backup feature also. So automatically backup will be tally data backup will be taken care in encrypted format also. Okay. So let me show you. So now you can see when I start the tally, it's showing me no data in the disk. No data in the disk. Okay. Now I am allowing tally to access the data. Okay, I'm allowed. Now when I go back, when I go to the select company, now I can see the data. You can see,
Yes.
I can see all the data of the tally.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I go back, when I disable, for example, if I disable the tally, suppose I disable the tally now. Okay. Now when I go back, sorry, I exited. So what I will do also, so we also provide you a backup, auto backup. So now when you start the tally, what you need to do, you need to start the tally from the secure application, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the tally icon, which I need to start from the secure application, sir. Okay. So this is how we provide you the data protection, data security, and we also provide you a cloud data. So let me show you in the cloud. So let me go to the Secura Cloud. You can see the tally data now. And you can see, if I want to see the versions, I can see the versions of my files. So whenever you do any changes, automatically version will be created. Incremental backup is that. So for example, you want to recover the data of the previous day or any of the date, you can date-wise, you can recover the data, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is all possible in our system. So what I suggest, you recommend this product to your management, and whenever they want to see the demo, we will show you the demo, sir.
How much will the software this say?
So it's a 3,500 per user, sir.
Per
year.
Okay.
But we are going to give you a discount right now. Offer is going on. It's a 2,500, sir. So it's
Okay.
a 12,500 cost for you for the yearly charges.
Okay.
And we charge one-time setup charge, one-time installation charge, which is we charge 10,000. It is total cost is 22,500, sir.
Okay.
Right?
But any inventor only this anything disable or something corrupted again you reinstall, no?
Yeah, you can get the data back, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So just check with your team and just recommend this product, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for your joining and thank you for your time, sir. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.